Hello, in this Solidity programming tutorial, we are going to look at special variables and functions. So there's a bunch of really cool special functions and variables that are built into the Solidity programming language. And there's like a whole heap of them, including cryptographic functions as well. And we're going to cover a few of them. And as an extra task, I'm going to do some research, look more into the special variables and functions in Solidity, especially the cryptographic ones. But yeah, let's just cover some basics. So there's variables and functions to access information about blocks in the Ethereum blockchain. So we've already got this set up. This is what's done by default on Remix IDE, and we'll assign value of block dot difficulty, and this will provide us how difficult it is at the moment for mining blocks in this blockchain. So if I click create and I click get, we get 0. Set, get, and we get this. So this is the current difficulty. If I click set, get, change it slightly, set, get, and it's just hovering around about this mark. So that's the current difficulty. We could do timestamp, and if I click create, set, get, that's the current timestamp of the block. So this is epoch time, and this is the amount of time that has passed since 1970, 1st of January. Recommend looking into epoch time some more. It's really fascinating. And we could even get the number of the block as well. So block, create, set, get. So this is the current block number. Like I said, there's many more functions in the special functions, I should say, in the Solidity programming language. Recommend checking them out. Recommend having a look at the cryptographic methods like the SHA-3, SHA-256. Those methods are awesome, especially for comparison of hashes to see if it is the right value or built into Solidity. If you have any questions about this or the programming language in general, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Solidity programming tutorial.